Okay, Assalamualaikum guys. Hari ni saya nak ajar tutorial lagu Creep Radiohead. Okay, dia ada 4 chord je. Dia start dengan chord G, ni B, C, ni B kan, C depan dia je. Okay, lepas tu C minor. When we are before, could I look in your eye, B. You're just like an angel. C minor. Skin makes me cry. G. But I'm a creep. I'm a weirdo. What the hell am I doing here? I don't care if it hurts. Okay, ulang-ulang lah guys. Thank you guys for coming guys. See you next video guys.